In front of me is Honor Magic V6, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. All you need to do is select an app you want to use in this view and launch it in the background. Then click on this square at the top right corner of chosen app and enjoy using it in this little window. To move it around, hold this line at the top and drag it. To scale it, hold one of its bottom corners and drag it as well. If you want to use it, you can use it in full screen view by clicking on this square at the top left corner. You can minimize it thanks to this icon of a line right next to the square one, and then open it again by clicking on the bubble. To minimize it in a different way, click on Home button and then tap on Tiny Window to go back to this one. Now, if you want to, you can always close it by clicking on this X at the top right corner, or by holding this line at the bottom and swiping it up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!